mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Guys, na ako'y bagong natuklasan karon gabi una. Maximus Cafe Buffet Restaurant. Located siya sa Subricari, Barrio Obrero Street, Davao City. Guys, only 299 pesos per head. Daghan siya ang maminos, dessert, juices. Then may chocolate pa. This is favorite siya sa pagkakadami. Sa tanan akong followers, viewers, supporters, please come and visit Maximus Cafe Buffet Restaurant. This is 8 all you can. Open sila from Tuesday to Sunday, 5 o'clock p.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening.